Hey, this is Thomas Talon with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you this 2020 NauticStar 211 Hybrid. This boat is equipped with the Yamaha 115 horsepower VMAX Show Series engine. Looking at the back here, you can see it has a ski tow bar, bimini top. Going forwards, you'll see the boat has 3 flip-up seats in the back. Walking forwards, looking at the console, you'll see that this boat is equipped with the Infinity stereo and has a SIMRAP depth finder chart plotter. All your gauges, all your switches. Plenty of seating up on the front with these pop-out bolster backrests. This boat has a live well and plenty of tackle storage. This is a great multi-purpose boat. Plenty of deck up here for fishing. It's already wired for a quick release trolling motor. Plenty of cup holders, plenty of rod holders. Nice reversible seat here. For more information on this boat, please visit us at MarineMax.com or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you.